$100 million taxpayers' money. $100 million US dollars. Not Ramareba mu PF at $42 million for attenders. $100 million US dollars. Oba Hakainde babulire no kushita mu helicopter inga imo. Helicopter inga imo iyakula basende okufuma ku State House ukula batwala kunganda mu kujja lunch. Ichalo chilile nsala, we are under a lot of stress. We are actually under hunger. Emergency. Mufi patata mwabane emiti. Bantu tuwa mwene wa Hakainde Hichilema bambo kula mahalipad. In airport, panganda iya helicopter. Tuwalesa kamana. What is it doing? Now we have seen that bali ya ku America no kuyashita. Helicopter imo iya kula basendo kula fuma kunganda. Ukula batwala kunchito. Pantu bali kano kuingira mu State House. Efyo badeo na ule ndalama. Tuwale papa muli ba Edgar Lungu. After ba Edgar Lungu basa ashita Gulfstream. Ba Hakainde Hichilema bali ishi like no. Ine Gulfstream unishitisha na kale. Shakenderemo. Kanshi bale priwe kuteta bakenderemo. Pantu bena bala ashita. Ifyo amutengo no kuchirapo bala ashita helicopter. Listen mwebene in this video. Mufoko ba Hakainde bene kabali that you know yo. Nishisha kale fyabufi because that Gulfstream he has not even sold it. Listen to this video.
A plane for one person and his small entourage at $193 million. And that's why I've refused to use that plane, and we'll be selling it. We're just going through the procedures now. It's gone.
Mwebena Zambia, Hakainde, he is not fit to conquer Nyapoku miteka. Taba mitemwa, lo taba kwa techishinka. You need a leadership yumfila kwa abantu for bale chula, for bale pitamo. And as economic freedom fighters, we cannot allow President uya mkushita helicopter ya kula musenda kunganda for $100 million US dollars taxpayers money. Nishimufupata hata mwabane emiti ku hospital ni cancer disease hospital badi. Sala Zambians, we cannot allow this. We can't. Awe na bakuya bebele. I'm inviting na mwa support alesale mipara. How can you support umuntu usha kwa tomutima? Umuntu uwaifi as a president. Mwema na Zambia na mipapa taba youthi. It's your time for you to liberate yourselves. You can't allow your future to be destroyed mule tamba. Zambians, I'm inviting you. Let us get rid of this corrupt regime. Abantu baisa mukwiba oko naula. Ichalo chino, isha shireko. Vale kumbwa fati bese bonaule. And as economic freedom fighters, I'm inviting you. Hakainde kuyabebele. Zambians, come. Vote for EFF. Let us work together and bring a new leadership in Zambia that you can believe in and trust. KASONDE MWEENDA, EFF president. Wherever I want to go, our feet will take us there. Thank you.